Welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday. The new version of Fidelity 2025.1 is now available for download from the Cadence support portal, and with it comes a Modular Installer Manager. This utility is designed to help you download and install the modules you need. Let's have a look at how to use it. You can access the Cadence download page by going to downloads.cadence.com and logging into your account. Then, select the operating system of your machine and type Fidelity 2025 in the search bar. Under Resources, you can still manually download the installation packages for the modules you want. But the easier way I will show you today is to download the Modular installer by clicking on the link next to Media. Once the installer is downloaded, double-click on the executable to launch it. You will first be prompted to accept the license terms before the Modular installer opens. At the very top, browse or type the directory path in which the modules should be downloaded. Then select which modules you want to download. The base Fidelity package contains the Fidelity GUI with geometry and meshing features, but does not contain the solvers. You can separately download the Turbo and DBS solver and/or the pressure-based solver. Other Fidelity features available as modules are the Open Labs, the thermodynamic tables to be added to your list of default fluids, and TabGen to generate your own thermodynamic tables. The Tutorial and Demo Cases module will install that part of the documentation on your system. And the Admin Tool module is used to install the Flexera files and start your license daemon. If you need to install the Fidelity license server on a separate machine on which Fidelity does not need to be installed, this would be the only module you would need for that machine. Finally, the last module is the Fidelity LES Connect app, which allows you to visualize results of a Fidelity LES computation. Since the Fidelity LES solver is only available on Linux, it would only show up when using the Linux version of the Modular installer. Here's the Linux version of the installer. As mentioned, you can see both the Fidelity LES solver and the Connect app for Linux. You can also notice an additional module containing the OpenMPI support for the Fidelity base package and an MPI validation utility to run on your cluster or workstation. Next to each module, an info bubble will give you additional information such as module description and installation size. For demonstration purposes, I will select the Fidelity base package with the pressure-based solver and TabGen. Click on Download Selected and enter the email address and password that you use to log in to your Cadence account. Those credentials will be remembered for 1 hour, after which you will be prompted again to enter them if you want to download more modules. A pop-up window will let you know the required space for each module and the available disk space. Press Continue and wait for the progress bars to be complete. Once the modules are downloaded, select the ones you want to install. If a module has a dependency, it will automatically be selected. For example, I cannot install TabGen if I don't already have a base Fidelity installation. Select the installation directory and press Install Selected. Again, a pop-up window will let you know the required space for each module, how much disk space is available, and prompt you to choose a single-user or multi-user installation if you're on Windows. During the installation, you can check on progress by expanding the log file. Once the modules have been installed, you can configure them so that the installation directory is added to the path and links between modules are created. If you want to download and/or install modules later, you can just reopen the Modular installer and go through similar steps for a different module. If a module had been previously downloaded in the working directory, the manager will detect it. If you want to uninstall modules, come back to the manager, select the modules to uninstall, and press Uninstall Selected. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a great Tuesday.